I woke up early and you were still asleep. Sunlight on your face, I forgot how to leave. Made you some coffee, but you slept right through it.
There is one thing inside Seedance 2.0 that most people building AI music videos have never tried.
Sat there watching, lost all track of time.
And it is the entire reason the lip sync in this video actually works. Most people just upload the audio and generate.
Never looking down on a bright new town.
And that is exactly why the lip sync never matches the words. I am going to show you what that one thing is and walk you through the full workflow around it. By the end of this video, you will have a complete 24-second music video where the lip sync holds on every single shot.
Some mornings with you feel like all I need.
There are 4 tools in this workflow: Suno for the song, Soul Cinema inside Higgsfield for the character image, Seedance 2.0 for the video generation, and CapCut for the final edit. The link to Higgsfield is in the description if you want to follow along. Now I go to Suno and paste in this prompt to generate the track. The prompt is written for a smooth rap at around 95 beats per minute, slow enough that every word comes out clearly. I use this style because it gives Seedance more room to generate accurate lip syncing. When the delivery is too fast and the words are packed together, the lip sync gets harder to read in the output. Once the track is generated, I listen through it once to check that the words sound clear and easy to follow. Clear words at this stage mean clear lip sync in the video.
I came in calm, no rush. You look my way, no fuss.
I woke up early and you were still asleep. Sunlight on your face, I forgot how to leave.
The audio I lock in here feeds directly into the Seedance generation later, so it is worth getting right at this stage. When I have a track I am happy with, I do 2 things before leaving Suno. I download the audio file and I copy the full lyrics. Suno shows the lyrics right alongside the generated song. I copy all of them and paste them into a Notes app or a document and keep it open. I am going to need specific lines from those lyrics when I get to the Seedance step, so keeping them open saves time. Now I take the audio file into CapCut. Seedance 2.0 accepts a maximum of 15 seconds of audio per clip, so I am not generating one long video. I am building 2 separate 12-second clips and cutting them together at the end. I trim the audio into 2 slices. The first slice runs from 0 seconds to 12 seconds. The second slice runs from 12 seconds to 24 seconds. Then I export each one as its own audio file and label them clearly. The first slice goes with video 1 and the second slice goes with video 2. Those 2 pairings have to stay correct. If I swap them, the lyrics I paste into each prompt will not match the audio in that clip and the lip sync breaks. I now have the song, the lyrics, and both audio slices ready. Now I move on to the character. The one image I generate here is used in every single clip in this video. Now I go to Higgsfield, open Cinema Studio, click on Image, and select Soul Cinema at 2K. I am generating one image here, and this becomes image 1. Seedance uses image 1 as the reference frame for both video 1 and video 2, which is what keeps the character looking consistent across the full video. If I used a different image for each clip, the character would shift in appearance between the 2 halves, and the edit would feel like 2 different people. I set the resolution to 2K and the aspect ratio to 16:9. I generate the character using this prompt. The prompt places the character at a 3/4 angle in an Italian villa courtyard. I use a 3/4 angle because the face is still fully visible for Seedance to read the lip sync from, and the slight turn makes the image look more like a real music video shot than a straight-on photo would. What comes back is the character standing in the villa courtyard. Cream suit, Wayfarer sunglasses in his right hand, marble fountain, and cypress trees behind him. One thing worth knowing about this prompt is the level of detail in the description. The specific costume, the setting, the lighting, the exact position of the sunglasses in his hand. All of that is in there because Seedance reads this image and carries those visual details into every clip it generates. The more specific and cinematic the reference image looks, the more that quality comes through in the generated video. A well-styled character in a realistic setting generates better than a plain character against a blank background, and you can see that difference in the final video. I'm happy with the result, so I'm going to save it. That is the only Soul Cinema generation in this entire workflow. I now have everything Seedance needs. The character image, both audio slices, and the full lyrics are all ready. Now I go to video, and this is where I show you the step that makes the lip sync work. Inside Higgsfield, I go to video and select Seedance 2.0. I upload image 1 as the reference image. Then I upload the first audio slice, the 0 to 12 second clip, as the audio reference. Now I go back to the Suno lyrics I saved and copy the lines that cover the first 12 seconds of the song. Then I paste those directly into the video prompt. This is the step that most people skip, and it is the reason their lip sync looks wrong. The audio reference gives Seedance the rhythm and timing of the track, but the lyrics in the prompt tell it the actual words the character is supposed to be rapping. Without the lyrics, Seedance just moves the mouth to the beat, but does not know what words are being said. With the lyrics in, it matches the mouth to each word line by line. That is what makes the lip sync work. Now I paste in the video prompt. I set the duration to 12 seconds, aspect ratio to 16:9, and resolution to 1080p. Finally, I'll click generate.
I woke up early and you were still asleep. Sunlight on your face, I forgot how to leave. Made you some coffee, but you slept right through it. Just sat there.
What comes back is a 12-second clip of the character rapping in the courtyard, with the lip sync holding through all 3 shots. I play it through and check that the mouth is matching the words. The reason the shot breakdown matters is that Seedance works through the descriptions in order. So being specific about each shot is what gives the clip that variety, rather than 12 seconds of the same angle. Now for video 2, it will be shot completely differently with 4 handheld shots. I stay in video gen, then I upload the second audio slice, the 12 to 24 second clip as the audio reference. That is the only thing that makes the full 24 seconds feel like one video. Now I go back to my Suno lyrics and copy the lines that cover the second half of the song and paste them into the video 2 prompt the same way I did for video 1. Now I'm pasting in the video prompt. All 4 shots in this clip are handheld, so the camera has that natural moving feel to it. The first shot is the character lip syncing straight to camera, then a low angle shot, then a close-up of his hand trailing through the marble fountain water, and then back to the low angle shot to close it out. Everything is set the same as before, same duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Now I go ahead and generate.
Lost all track of time. Some mornings with you feel like all I need.
What comes back is the character in the same courtyard. All 4 shots cutting through with the lip sync holding through the second verse. I play it next to video 1 to check that the character looks the same in both. The lip sync is holding and the 2 clips feel like they belong together. When I am happy with both, I take them into CapCut. I open CapCut and import video 1, video 2, and the full Suno song. I place video 1 on the timeline first, then drop video 2 directly after it. The combined runtime is 24 seconds. And now I bring the full Suno song onto the audio track underneath both clips. To line the audio up correctly, I find the exact moment in the track where the first word is sung. I drag the audio so that moment lines up with the very first frame of video 1. When those 2 line up, the lip sync stays locked through both clips because each video was generated with its own matching audio slice. When it plays back clean, I go ahead and export the video.
I woke up early and you were still asleep. Sunlight on your face, I forgot how to leave. Made you some coffee, but you slept right through it. Just sat there watching, lost all track of time. Some mornings with you feel like all I need.
The link to Higgsfield is in the description if you want to get started with this workflow today. And if this helped, drop a like and subscribe because I post videos like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.